All right, greetings class one more time. Um, Today's lesson will proceed with showing you some editing skills, how you can edit clips and add some more sound effects, like in more detail. All right, so let's import our clips. Or first of all, before we import our clips, let's save our project, the one we'll be working on. Let's say football commercial. That's the name of our project that we'll be working on. So I've saved it. All right, so next let's add the clips we'll be working with. So to add them, just here on top of playlist, make sure your playlist is open. Playlist needs to be open. If you don't have it, you click it here, playlist. Then here on the options, add files. The folder that has my clips that I want to work with is this one. So I'll right click so that we should be able to see the clips. So we have 3 video clips and 3 sound effects. We have a football kick, we have a sports stadium crowd cheering sound, then we also have a motivational background music. Okay, so let's select all of them, then click open. Now we'll wait. All right, now we have all our clips. Now let's start editing, then we'll work on the sound. All right, so let's start with this clip, the clip of the stadium. I've dragged it all the way to the left because I wanted to start from the beginning. All right, so let's click it. That's the stadium. I wanted to play just for 5 seconds. All right, so 5 seconds. Here you can drag and see where it's 5 seconds here. All right, so I click it, then separate it so that it's just 5 seconds. Maybe 5 seconds is too short. Let it play for longer, maybe around 8 seconds. All right, so I'll click it, then separate it using the split at playhead. I'll delete the other part, just like how we always do. Then the next clip should be this one, where it'll be someone kicking a ball. Okay, that one comes next. Okay, let's play the clips and see. Someone kicks a ball. Okay, then I think it needs to stop somewhere here around 16 seconds. Okay, let's separate it. Okay, then we delete the other part as we always do. Next should be a clip where the person will be celebrating. So the next clip will be this one, where a person will be celebrating. So I drag it to the timeline, I bring it back, and let's see what happens. So after kicking the ball, the person runs and celebrates. Okay, all right, now let's work with the sound. I hope you're following what we've just done. We've just edited these 3 clips to come one after the other, but removing some extra footage. So the stadium starts, then we have someone that comes in, kicks a ball, runs, and celebrates. All right, so it's 3 clips. Next, we need the audio track so that we should be able to work with our sound. So to do that, we go here just below the timeline menu, track operations, add audio track. So this is the audio track here, this line which just came in. Okay, so let's add another one, track operations, add audio track. So we have another one below here. So on this one, which is just below, I want it to be the one that will have the motivational background sound. So I'll drag it here. So I've dragged this clip to this part. All right, but as you can see, the clip is also very long. I want it to end at the same time where our footage is ending. So I'll drag this to where the clip ends. I'll put it there. I'll go down, I'll click our clip, So just as how we edit the video clips, we can edit the audio on the same way. I'll click here, split. I'll delete this other part. So I just click it, then click delete on the keyboard. So it means our sound stops exactly where the footage stops. So let's skip to the top so that we see what we have done. We click play. Okay, so that's how our clips are looking so far. Next, let's work with the sound. The first sound that we work with is the one in which there's a football kick sound effect. So I want this sound effect to go exactly where the person is kicking the ball. All right, so I'll go to that part. Okay, so I think it's right there. It has to be somewhere here, exactly where the person is kicking the ball. So I need to, I'll zoom in so that it's right there at the exact spot where the person is kicking the ball. Okay? Right there. So here's the clip. I'll drag it here so that it's exactly at that spot where the person is kicking the ball. All right, so let's go back and see what happens. Okay. All right, nice. Next, I want the clip with the people cheering. It's a sound of a stadium cheering. I want that one to be as soon as when the person is celebrating. That's when the person is celebrating, that's when that clip needs to kick in. So it's this one, sports stadium crowd cheering sound effect. I'll drag it here. Okay, it needs to come somewhere there. Okay, let's see. As you can see, the clip is also very long. It needs to end somewhere here. It needs to end somewhere there because it's too long. I hope you get what I mean. So I'll click it as usual. We split at playhead. We click the X's and delete. All right. So now we go back and let's see what we've just edited. Nice. So that's how we edit and work with sound. Okay, so you can even take it further enough to say you want to maybe make the sound go higher or lower. To do that, you click the clip, then you go on filters. Okay, you go on filters. Just a minute as the computer is loading. You go on filters, then you click the plus sign here. You go on audio, then there's several effects that you can experiment with, but for the volume we have this one, the gain / volume. Okay, so with this slider you can be able to increase the sound or reduce the sound. Okay, like the volume. All right, Once we are done like that, next thing to do is just to export it. So to export it, you just click here, file, export, video, and then you choose YouTube. Let's X this so that we can be able to see our templates properly. We'll choose the YouTube one because it has got better dimensions. Then we'll click export file, we'll choose MP4, then save it. That's the file you'll be able to share across your different platforms. For example, social media, on your phone,